The Markforged system, the base material is a chopped carbon fiber. The greatest advantage that Markforged has is that you can produce a 3D printed part out of plastic that's as strong as aluminum in many cases. And that's where you use the continuous strands of carbon fiber in the part, and you can just get the tremendous strength for fixtures and soft jaws and grippers, end-of-arm tooling, where strength is required, non-marring surface because it's a plastic part. The advantage of Markforged with carbon fiber is tremendous.
We don't truly print with 100% carbon fiber, no one does. The base material with Markforged is the PA6 nylon chopped carbon fiber composite material. The thing that sets Markforged apart from all the other FDM carbon fiber filaments out there is there's a second material feed that's laying down either Kevlar, carbon fiber, or fiberglass, or high-temp, high-strength fiberglass into a part. So that's laying down continuous strands of fiber within the layers of the part. That's like cables on a bridge. It's tying that load throughout the part, and so you can get incredibly strong parts. So that fiber is tying that part and knitting it together to spread that load out, and you can get tremendous results with that.